Okay, welcome back. Quick video on how to program some key fobs. I got these off of the Jungle website. 2 of them, 20 bucks for the Trailblazer. So this will be programming pretty much any GM, I don't know, late 90s, early 2000s jiggers, GMs, whatever they got like this. I'm pretty sure I could have got one with a remote starter and maybe it would have worked. I don't know. I didn't get the one with the little circle on it, but I got these ones because they're cheap and it works. And I'm sick of using my door lock. So let's get to it. Step 1. Push and hold the lock button for 3 seconds. No, we got to push lock, not unlock. 1, 2, 3. So when you're doing this, you want to take your key, put it in the ignition. Turn the ignition on twice really quick. 1, 2. And leave it off. And then let go of your unlock button. What that's going to do is that's going to put your vehicle into programming mode. So next step. Push and hold the lock and unlock button on the fob for 10 seconds. And what you'll hear is the locks cycle through. 6. Well, there it goes. Was quicker. Now, if you have a second fob, like I do, you want to repeat the step. Push and hold till it cycles on and off. Simply let go. Now you want to turn your ignition to forward, not on, and then back off, take your key out. So once you're out of programming mode, make sure your fobs work. That one works. That one works. Simple as that. Got any questions? Comment below. Thanks.